Yo, my fellow moneymakers, it's your boy PTC Pat, and let's go talk about Piston. As you know, the project is one I'm proudly promoting, and I just bought some BUSD. And let's buy some Piston of it. As you can see, $500 buys 30.8 Piston. Let me approve that transaction. And of course, we're going to talk about the project, talk about the roadmap, and of course, we are here to make sure that everybody eats by doing that airdrop. This is of course one of my many videos I got about Piston, and I got some nice updates coming also. Fun fact is that they also have built a bot that just talks to you. Hi, need help? Start a conversation with us. As you can see, your swap was successful. The reason why I buy it on the website itself is of course that I'm not paying that 10% tax. As you can see, you can just start a conversation. Well, I'm not in need to talk with anybody now. We can go to the start. We can see the price of Piston. People saying, well, Pat, you know, Piston, the price is going down a little bit. And I tell the people, well, what do you expect? It came from $7. It went up to $25, and now we're at $16.20. So to everybody saying the price is down, the price is down, it is still up, doubled from where I bought it. And of course, you also see me buying the top, you see me buying the bottom, you see me just buying all the time. Fun fact, guys, is this what I want to show you. This is the roadmap. Many things are going to come. As you can see, the May 31st, there's going to come an auto compound button. What does that mean? That means that you do not have to log in to compound. You can just like automatically compound. Don't really know exactly what it is. Then we, of course, got the lottery coming the 30th June. The test drive alpha is going to come 2022. And of course, I believe that is like a launch of the game. The game beta going to come. At least there is a lot of things coming out. The team behind it is making magic happen by also just making sure that they are putting in the work. It's not just a project they built and just keep on going. It's making sure that they just keep on going. You can see that there's 97% are the holders, are the race users. And you can also see that the total is 1 million Piston, and where there is this amount deposited in the race, that's like 82%. You can see the team, they're doing great. My favorite, of course, is Tony, and I've been with Robin the Dev for a long time, Robin Moon. They are doing great things, and like I said, let's talk about the project now. As you deposit, you're going to get 1% a day. You can decide to recompound to make your initial deposit times 5. If you're going to check it out here, let me show it with visuals. You can see my real deposits. That is like 1557, 1556.998. So that I can make it like this. You can see my 5x meter. I can make it like 1556 times 5. Means that I can go like this. I can recompound until I got 7,780 Piston. We'll still be getting that 1% a day. And of course, here you can also see that in the moment, this amount that I got, I can maximum payout is 8,759, which is a nice amount, of course. You can see that I got like 38,848 here in the project, and I got a recompound standing here of 15.72 Piston, which makes about $255. You can see that I just bought some Piston. You can see like by Piston, you see that I got like 30.72 Piston. And if I check it like here, I also got this amount. So I can say like, well, let me put like 7 Piston in the project. This means that this amount that I got here with the available fuel is also going to be added to my gas tank. Fun fact also, guys, is that the amount I'm going to put in is also making me go past 2420 points Piston. And also I will be getting that 1% a day. Of course, every transaction deposit has a 10% deposit tax. So you can see from my 7 Piston, it has become 6.3. You can also see which pit crew member address in my downline has gotten the bonus. So let's make it happen, guys. This is a little bit how it works. You can check your pit crew also, like who is in your team. You can see like the swap by already shown. You can see which is your level. You can see airdrops. You can, hey, casino. I haven't done that. Just at least 2 members. Airdrop casino. Well, let's just do it like this. Let's go to the standard. Let's put the maximum piston. Let's bring it down to my first downline. And then just go like this. You can see that my biggest downline has 3038 piston. You, whoever you are, you're a champ, my man. You have more than me, but I'm gaining on you. You can see that we are giving away 0.33.88 piston per member. So let's press that airdrop button. This is going to take some time. As you can see, it's like 70 people I have to airdrop, but they have told me it's going to become better, as now it is just a little bit time consuming. As you can see, airdrop 1 cent. Been working out a lot. It's too hot in the Netherlands now. As you can see, airdrop 1 of 70 send out. You can see Penuel saying, Sensei, how's it going? What? Of course, we're airdropping, so we're going to keep that focus. I was just checking also with the animal farm, and I see that I'm making around like $1,450 a day in the moment there. And so I'm going to sell today for the first time. I've been recompounding a lot, and now we're going to sell for the first time. And as you can see, airdrop 3 send outs, airdrop 2 send outs. Those airdrops is taking me like $20 in gas fees. But we just make sure that everybody's eating, of course. I love it when I've been getting many messages from my people. They say, well, thanks so much, man. I started with a small bit, but because of you, like even the price is declining, I'm still up. So yeah, it makes me happy that I'm making a change. I'm very grateful for the position where I'm in. As I remember, before I was homeless, and now like I'm close to being a millionaire. So yeah, life is good. Life has changed a lot, and yeah, I'm very grateful for those who brought me here. So thanks a lot. We're going to pause the recording, as we are going to be airdropping for another like 30 minutes or so. So yeah, you can I'm going to unpause it in a little bit. Hey guys, fun fact is that we have brought our lovely assistant with us. We're gonna go like this. Oh, she has taken my... No, do not eat the cable. Don't eat the cable. Don't eat the cable. Don't eat the cable. Okay. Oh, broodje kaas. Yeah, discount. Oh my God, my baby is falling to the side. Yeah. Really? Okay, she wants the cable. Don't press the button or you'll be muting me. As you can see, it still takes a while to send those airdrops, but hey, it's worth it. Since I've been doing them airdrops, I've been getting a lot more views on my YouTube also. So we're here to make it count. It's an investment in my future, of course. And as you can see, we're all about crypto. Crypto and PC pets. You don't see it. So for everybody watching, thanks. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, so I'm getting more found in the algorithm. We're gonna pause this again as we got like 20, let's say 50 more airdrops to do. But as you can see, I have my VIP here. And that's a very important princess. That's what the belly says. So let's just keep them coming, guys. Let's pause it. Oh, she's pulling my cable. And let's make the magic happen.